Now let me introduce you to the style. Spy. Before you leave the page, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
What up, guys? It's the Style Spy, and I'm coming at you with another DIY. Yep, I know it's been a minute. You haven't heard from me since I graduated, so here I am. Happy New Year, all that. Valentine's Day is coming up, and I thought this sexy fur rub will be exactly what you needed to make a man say, ow! So obnoxious. Okay, so let's get started. Here's what you need. You'll need some fur boa. And I purchased this long robe. It has a belt to it, and it's long sleeve, but I do not know where I purchased this from. It's been so long since I purchased this, so I can't help you with that. You need a pair of scissors, needle and thread, and bobby pins. So we're about to get started. Let's go.
One more time. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the page. What we got, can I have your attention? We promise not to waste your time. Now let me introduce you to the style spy. Before you leave the page, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. For fashion hauls and videos that show you how to DI to the Y. Now do it yourself and fashion lookbooks just to keep your style looking fly. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Now let me hear you say style, spy, style, spy, style, spy, style. Style spy, what you say? Ladies and gentlemen, look, what we got, can I have your attention? Look, what we got, ladies and gentlemen. Look, what we got, can I have your attention? Yeah, what we got, what we got. Say style, spy, style, spy, style, spy, style.
Okay guys, so this is the finished product.